does Daddy me sis coming home?
I don't know, me son.
Man, I gotta fix that step.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How was your day?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Just the usual knitting.
Sister.
Yeah, the birds are horrendous out there.
Oh, I thought I
I
just
Stay away.
son. One of the birds tried to peck me eye out.
Are we gonna die?
It's time. Turn it on. Find a station that comes in.
Hurry up!
Come on, quick. We're gonna miss it.
I was working
Go
hard.
down all the way. Maybe that's there. Keep going. Right there. Right there. I thought I heard it. No. Go down a little. Right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we bring you this live broadcast. We have repeated reports of hostile birds. I think,
It's fading out. Oh man, we missed it.
What the heck?
Oh.
Gone.
Good night. Good night, honey. See you in the morning.
Night.
Get a good night's rest. You need it. See you in the morning.
Good night, sweeties. Have a good night's sleep. See you in the morning, Ma. Dad!
What's going on, Dad? Dad, let's go.
Get out of here! Get out! Go! Ugh, stupid birds! Ugh. I think that's all of them. Ah, my head! Ah.
Dad, your hands! They're all bloody!
What?
Hey guys, let's hear some music. Turn it on, Johnny.
Guys, sit down. Sit down. Shut up, Raina. What are you doing?
Come on, Dad, have some
Dad.
fun.
Yeah, I fixed the windows. I guess that's how the birds came in last night.
Daddy, are your hands all right?
Yeah, they're better.
Okay.
Oh, thanks for caring.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot. We don't have any food.
Go! Are we gonna have to go outside? Oh no.
Let's go. Chuck him.
That was not good.
We gotta get out of here. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go!
Oh no, Johnny!
Johnny, no!
Johnny, you were my only son. No! No! Oh, no! We gotta go now!
Town's a mess! More birds! Stupid thing!
Get inside your house! Get inside!
Johnny! Oh, I can't believe he's gone.
There's only teddy bear right here. That's all I have to remember of him.
Stupid birds.
Do you hear something?
Whoa, whoa,
Do you hear something? It sounds like it's coming from the door.
whoa.
What is it?
I don't know. Let me see. Guys, come here. I think I hear something. Come here. It sounds like
What is it?
Like,
What?
you hear that?
Oh my goodness!
The house is falling apart! Run! Wait, what? I think it's over. I don't hear anything.
Oh, alright.
Come on,
See if you can
guys.
see.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. Settle down, guys. No problem.
So they're all gone?
Ah!